Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to integrate Asana with Zoom for meetings, your complete 2025 guide. First up, you need to authorize the Zoom app within Asana. Head over to your Asana dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Apps section. Click on Apps and search for Zoom. Once you find it, click Add. This is key because it establishes the connection between the two platforms, laying the groundwork for our integration. Now that we've done that, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account. Go ahead and fill in your Zoom credentials. The reason we do this is to verify your identity and ensure a secure connection between your Zoom and Asana accounts. Next up, you'll need to set your meeting preferences. Within the Zoom app on Asana, click Settings. Here, you can customize your meeting details, like whether you want video on or off by default. This helps us because it allows you to tailor your Zoom meetings to your specific needs right from Asana. Now let me explain why this next step matters. Whenever you're creating a new task or project in Asana, you'll notice a Zoom meeting option. Click on it, and voila, a Zoom meeting link is automatically generated and attached to that task or project. This is happening behind the scenes to make your workflow more streamlined. Finally, to join a Zoom meeting from Asana, simply click on the Join Zoom Meeting button on the associated task or project. This is the final piece of the puzzle that connects your task management in Asana with your virtual meetings in Zoom. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Asana with Zoom for your meetings. This will greatly enhance your productivity by bringing together your task management and meeting tools in one place. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.